How to set up Facebook group community chat. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So for that, you may open up the Facebook application first. And after opening it up, you may go ahead and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, what you can do is simply locate up the group. For that, you can use the search bar at the top. Otherwise, you may tap on the menu bar at the top. And from here, the menu appears. Now from the menu, locate up the option called groups. And after going over to groups, open up your own group. After you have opened up your own group, here, in order to create up a community chat, we should be finding chats option right under manage. You may locate it up, locate the option and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you can directly find an option called create a chat right in the bottom. So go ahead and tap on that option. After that is done, name your community chats group. So go ahead and basically type in your community group and tap on create chat. And then once that is done, your new community chat should be created on your group. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.